Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to change background color. So if you want to change background color in Microsoft Word, you can go to the sign menu and then click on page color. Will be show the option color. Like example, I will set into this color blue and the background will be automatically changed. I will change again the background color like into black, just for black, or the other you can change into this yellow color. Okay, that's it for basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to change background color. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.